tignan nyo, super ganda. Parang sila mga lilit na grapes.
Ganda. Ganda.
Sure. Anyway. Hello. I look so different from you guys. Bye. Oh my God. Oh my hand. Hello. Nandito na kami sa bahay ni Carly kasi mag-swim kami. Tignan niyo si Carly nauna. Sabi naman.
Ang matamis yung tea. Ito kasi
Why is there a cup
tapos
in
nilagyan
here?
na ng coke at
Liza.
Hi!
ay siya magsalita.
Carly! Bahay ni Carly!
Resort ni Carly.
Espeho ano? Espeho.
Espejo Residence!
Wine ala honey. Pero mabitter pala. Lumilipas ang panahon na ating gunita.
Lumilipas.
Mga kababayan, kamarites, kamami, nandito naman po tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Mami Morales.
Walang ilaw.
Ay, walang.
Cheers.
Para sa may mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Uy, nag-aaral yung mga pusa. Para makahanap ng jowa. Ay, joke lang.
Jokos mo na ako.
No. I said no, I said no. He didn't get it right because I'm playing on the laptop. Yes. Carly, get closer, get closer. We're playing it. We're playing it. Sorry. We thought you were the monster. Am I falling? No. Dang it. Frick! Guys, someone check the room. I'm not doing it. Guys, I'm so scared. It's a scary game. Stop! Carly! Are you scared? Yes! Help me! Lord Jesus! Are you scared? Yes! Carly, stop! Grace, are you scared? Everybody scared? Guys, sit up, Carly. Is everybody scared? Yes! We are living in a life simulation. Ma, nag-video ako sa scary movie.
Dito, kay Tita Lori.
Sunod niya ata yung ano.
2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3, shot mo. Jump! Ganon. 1, 2, 3, jump!
Isa pa.
1, 2, 3,
jump!
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, fart!